When it comes to upgrading your home or improving its energy efficiency, choosing the right windows is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Windows play a critical role in your home's overall aesthetic, comfort, and energy usage. In Loves Park, Illinois, where the weather can range from hot summers to cold winters, selecting the right windows can help maintain a comfortable indoor environment and reduce energy costs. With so many window styles, materials, and features to consider, it can feel overwhelming to decide which windows are the best fit for your property. Here's a guide to help you choose the right windows for your Loves Park home. Consider your home's style. The first step in choosing the right windows is considering the architectural style of your home. The windows you select should complement the overall design and feel of your home, adding to its curb appeal. In Loves Park, homes range from traditional ranch styles to more modern or contemporary designs, and each style benefits from specific window types. For traditional homes, double-hung or casement windows can provide a timeless, classic look. These windows open vertically or horizontally, offering easy ventilation and a simple aesthetic. For more modern homes, sleek, large windows such as picture windows or sliding glass windows may be a better choice. These windows provide clear, unobstructed views and work well with a minimalist design. Make sure the windows you select enhance your home's curb appeal and fit seamlessly into its existing architectural style. Consider the size and shape of the windows, as well as the overall look you want to achieve. Energy efficiency. Given the diverse climate in Loves Park, energy efficiency is a crucial consideration when selecting new windows. Poorly insulated windows can lead to heat loss during the winter and unwanted heat gain during the summer, which can increase your heating and cooling bills. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed to provide better insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round while reducing your energy consumption. Look for windows that are ENERGY STAR certified. These windows have been tested and proven to meet strict energy efficiency standards. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E coatings are an excellent choice for energy efficiency. The air or gas-filled spaces between the panes create an insulating barrier that helps to reduce heat transfer. Low E coatings further enhance energy efficiency by reflecting heat back into your home during winter and blocking heat from entering during summer. Window material. The material of your windows affects both their performance and maintenance requirements. Different materials offer various benefits, and the best choice for your home will depend on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and how much time you want to spend maintaining them. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular options because they are energy efficient, durable, and low maintenance. They don't require painting and are resistant to rotting and warping. Vinyl windows also offer good insulation, making them a great choice for energy savings. Wood windows offer a classic, high-end look and can add a lot of character to your home. However, wood windows require more maintenance, as they need to be painted and sealed periodically to prevent rot. If you choose wood windows, make sure they are properly treated to withstand the elements. Fiberglass windows are highly durable, energy efficient, and resistant to weather extremes. They require minimal maintenance and are a great option for homeowners who want the look of wood but the durability of modern materials. Aluminum windows are durable and strong but may not offer as much insulation as vinyl or fiberglass. However, they can be a good choice for modern, industrial-style homes or for specific applications such as large windows or sliding doors. Window style and functionality. The style of window you choose will depend on how you want it to function in your home. Different window styles offer varying degrees of ventilation, ease of use, and aesthetics. Double-hung windows are one of the most common styles and are known for their versatility. Both the upper and lower sashes can be open, allowing for adjustable ventilation. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, making them an excellent option for hard-to-reach areas or for maximizing airflow. They are often considered the most energy-efficient type of window. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that provide unobstructed views of the outdoors. They are ideal for areas where ventilation is not needed but where you want to frame a beautiful view. Sliding windows are perfect for homes with limited space. They slide horizontally and are easy to operate, making them a great option for areas like kitchens or bathrooms. Consider the functionality you need in each room of your home. For example, in a kitchen or bathroom where you might need to open the window for ventilation, casement or sliding windows may be more practical. For living rooms or bedrooms where the view is a priority, picture windows can be a great option. Consider your budget. Your budget will naturally play a significant role in the type of windows you choose. While high-quality windows can be a bit of an investment, they offer long-term benefits in terms of energy savings and durability. Keep in mind that cheap windows might seem like a good deal up front, but they could end up costing you more in energy bills and maintenance down the line. It's also important to factor in the cost of installation. Professional installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed and aligned, which is crucial for performance and longevity. A good window contractor will be able to recommend the best options based on your budget and home's needs. Professional installation. Once you've selected the perfect windows for your home, the next step is proper installation. Even the best windows won't perform as expected if they aren't installed correctly. It's worth investing in professional installation to ensure that your windows are sealed properly, operate smoothly, and provide maximum energy efficiency. A reputable contractor will also provide guidance on the best materials, styles, and designs for your home, ensuring that your new windows meet your aesthetic and functional needs. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your Loves Park property involves considering various factors, including your home's style, energy efficiency, material options, window functionality, and budget. By selecting the right windows and ensuring professional installation, you can enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and add long-term value to your property. Whether you're upgrading an old home or building a new one, investing in quality windows is an investment that will pay off in both comfort and style.